Not yet. I am trying to make a coffee. It was really hard to make it with one hand, but I'm trying. What happened? I'm going to take that video tripod thing with the ring light.
So what's happening with your coffee?
I just made my coffee and I'm drinking it.
Just go into the other bedroom. Oh God. Just go into the other bedroom and take as many videos as you want. Because I'll have like a 20-minute video, then you're gonna move around and I'll have to stop. Hello, how are you?
See what you're working on.
Yeah, sadly, I'm still very poor and I'm still working on basic shit. Well, I mean, we're working towards success.
That depends on what success means to you.
Well, success, sadly, it's a very complex question.
I think to have a nice cup of coffee without having to pay for it.
Bullshitting, I told you.
Okay.
I'm gonna start now.
Hey, what's up, everyone? Today is January the 20th, and as you can see, my hair is very pink. Today's list on my journal, if you can see it. So today is Wednesday. I'm going to draft my weekly digest that I'm going to send out tomorrow, and actually uploading now for my music video. This video is uploading right now. Unfortunately, it's very, very slow, but it is uploading, so let's see. It should be finished uploading in 1 hour and 2 minutes. And also I'm planning on doing a calendar for my article and videos. And then I'm going to the gym at 5:30 p.m. And then I'm going to have dinner after that, and then take shower for my dog. He is recording a demo course for the tech education students, teaching the basic skills of CSS and HTML. So this is my backend on Medium, and you can see I have 9 drafts at the moment. I have submitted these 3 articles to certain publications. This one is how I made 9,000 a month as an independent freelance consultant. It's similar to the content I published on my previous video. I will also attach the link below in my description. This one, why Bitcoin price is none of my business. I've also published this, well, submitted my draft to a publication. I haven't heard from them back. 7 things you must include in an EPK, that's electronic press kit. So I've also finished edited it and submitted to the other publications, which I'm still with. And let's see if I can see how much I made. I have gained 184 views on my articles. How many articles do I have right now? Let's see, 1, 2, 3, 4. I have total 7 articles, and as you can see, this one didn't really gain any views because I haven't been sharing them. I've been sharing these articles except for the first one. I've been sharing these articles quite frequently on Twitter, my LinkedIn, and Facebook. So some of the views, and as well as my weekly digest. So some of the views here might be coming from them. See how much I made. So I made 14 cents in January so far, potentially, and I made 9 cents in December. I made 14 cents in January.
Wow, that's
Medium.
amazing.
What do you think?
Half of it is mine.
For your bubble tea?
No, for my likes and for my time.
No, you didn't. You didn't like any of my video. Oh my. Oh yeah, you did. You did claps. And I hope you enjoyed this video, and we'll see you soon.